Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech and gadgets to bring you honest and insightful reviews. In today's episode, we've got something truly special for you. The 8BITDO Retro Mechanical Keyboard, an homage to classic gaming and a powerhouse for modern use. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exciting review. Let's start with the design of the 8BITDO Retro Mechanical Keyboard. It's inspired by classic gaming consoles, and the aesthetics are simply nostalgic bliss. The keyboard features a matte gray finish, reminiscent of those classic gaming systems we all grew up with, and it comes with a set of stunning NES-style keycaps. One unique aspect of this keyboard is the presence of dual super programmable buttons, which not only add a fun touch but also enhance functionality. These buttons are highly customizable and can be mapped to perform various tasks, making your workflow more efficient. Moving on to the typing experience, this keyboard is equipped with Keilbox Switch V2 white mechanical key switches. They provide a tactile and satisfying keystroke experience, with a noticeable clickiness that feels like a blast from the past. Whether you're typing up documents or gaming for hours, the key switches offer a comfortable and responsive feel. The 8BITDO Retro Mechanical Keyboard offers multiple connectivity options. You can connect it via Bluetooth, a wireless 2.4 GHz connection, or use it as a wired keyboard. This versatility makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including Windows 10 and Android 9.0 or above. It's perfect for both gaming and productivity tasks. One standout feature is the hot-swappable PCB. This means you can easily replace the key switches without soldering, allowing you to customize your typing experience even further. It's a fantastic feature for enthusiasts who love experimenting with different switch types. The keyboard comes with the Ultimate Software V2, a powerful tool for customizing your keyboard mapping. You can easily program macros, reassign keys, and fine-tune the functionality to suit your specific needs. Plus, all your customizations are saved on the keyboard itself. If you're a fan of wireless accessories, there's an option to bundle this keyboard with the 8BITDO N32.4 GHz wireless mouse, creating a seamless and retro-inspired setup. In conclusion, the 8BITDO Retro Mechanical Keyboard is a remarkable blend of nostalgia and modern functionality. With its stunning design, tactile key switches, and extensive customization options, it's a must-have for gamers, content creators, and anyone who appreciates the classics. The inclusion of dual super programmable buttons adds a unique twist that sets it apart from other mechanical keyboards on the market. That wraps up our review of the 8BITDO Retro Mechanical Keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech and gadgets. Until next time, happy typing and gaming!